Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Inspect your ports and cables, and make sure your GPU supports multi-monitor spanning or MSD. Once done, decide why you want a single desktop, productivity or immersion, and choose horizontal or stacked layout to match monitor sizes. Next, connect the monitors to the GPU using the preferred ports. Use active adapters if needed. Make sure power and input sources are correct. These initial steps set a stable foundation, so software configuration later behaves predictably and maintains proper resolution and refresh rates. You now move into configuration. Open your operating system's display control panel, Windows Display, Mac OS Arrangement, or Linux Xrandr/Wayland tools, and identify each monitor. Once identified, set identical scaling and refresh rates when possible so the image stretches evenly. If you need a single large desktop, enable GPU features like NVIDIA Surround or AMD Infinity, or use Windows Extend plus a window manager that spans. Make sure bezel correction and orientation are set to prevent cursor jumps. These steps align software with physical layout, producing a seamless desktop. You finish by validating the span. Run a full-screen application or drag windows across monitors to ensure continuous desktop flow. Once confirmed, calibrate color and geometry and enable bezel compensation if your GPU or software provides it, so visuals appear consistent across screens. If something goes wrong, first update GPU drivers, reboot, and try different ports or cables. Isolate a faulty monitor by testing individually. Make sure display modes match. Otherwise, the image will stretch incorrectly. These final steps secure a reliable single display experience and give you one key troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.